If your GE front-load washer is making unusual noises, shaking excessively, or not spinning correctly, the pulley could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering our tools. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and a hammer. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your front-load washer by unplugging it or turning the breaker off unless live voltage testing is necessary. Remove the back access panel from the washer. Inspect the pulley for warping, a loose fit, or other indicators of damage. The pulley should be tight on the spider shaft. If the pulley is damaged or wobbly and loose like this one is, the pulley would need to be replaced. If the pulley is good, something else is causing your washer to not operate properly. Remove the belt. Rotating the pulley while removing the belt can make it easier. Using an adjustable wrench and hammer, remove the pulley nut. The pulley should pull right off. Here's the old pulley and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Secure the pulley to the spider shaft. Install the belt. Rotating the pulley while installing the belt can make it easier. Secure the back panel onto the washer. Plug the power cord back in, and with that, we're done. Great job tackling that pulley replacement on your GE front-load washer. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you still need a part, just have your model number ready and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for letting us be a part of your repair journey, and we're excited to see you back for your next home fix.